BeHear operates straight out of the box as a personal hearing amplifier with no Bluetooth connection needed. Ambient sounds are amplified and transmitted from the headset's microphones directly to your ears. Start by turning BeHear Access on by pressing the power button briefly until the light blue LED appears. In order to activate the personal hearing amplification, toggle the function on with a long press on the right control box's middle button. The voice prompt will indicate the current hearing mode: hearing mode on or hearing mode off. The headset comes pre-programmed with settings for 6 different hearing modes: indoor, outdoor, crowd, live music, telecoil exclusive, and telecoil transparent. The 2 telecoil modes are for use in places where hearing loops, also called induction loops, are installed. Typically, these are ticket kiosks, auditoriums, museums, and houses of worship. You will see this symbol where relevant. When you want to hear only the sound source being transmitted via the loop, choose telecoil exclusive mode. When you would like to hear both the sound source and nearby conversations or other important sounds, choose the telecoil transparent mode. You can choose the hearing mode that best suits your current environment by briefly pressing the right-hand control box's middle button. A voice prompt will indicate which mode is active. These pre-programmed hearing modes can be customized in 2 ways. First, by taking the hearing assessment in the Wear and Hear BeHear smartphone app, which will personalize your hearing baseline. And second, by using the best sound point grid and noise reduction options in the same app. The top and bottom buttons of the right control box control the volume for the personal hearing mode. You can either use short presses to increase or decrease the volume 1 step at a time, or press and hold the button to increase or decrease the volume rapidly. For each increase in volume, you will hear a high tone. When you reach the maximum, you will hear an even higher tone. For each decrease in volume, you will hear a low tone. When you reach the minimum, you will hear an even lower tone. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.